Tips to drive safe in foggy weather. Driving in the fog can be a challenging, even frightening experience. The reduced visibility and wet conditions compound one another to make driving especially treacherous. How can you maximize your road safety? Fortunately, there are several tips to help reduce the risks while driving safely in foggy weather. So, before starting the video, please like this video. Do subscribe and turn on the notification to our channel for future updates. Don't speed. Foggy conditions are often accompanied by reduced speeds, meaning that you should also not speed in foggy weather. You can easily exceed the safe driving speed under these conditions. In addition, the reduced visibility and the wet road surface can lead to hydroplaning, which is even more serious in wet conditions. Slow down before you reach your destination. As mentioned above, driving at low speeds is especially risky in foggy weather. Due to the reduced speed limits and the difficulty of seeing at low speeds, accidents can occur especially easily at night, when there is no artificial lighting. Therefore, you should always slow down before you reach your destination. If you are driving on a highway, you should reduce your speed to a safe level, like 80 to 100 km per hour, before you reach the highway exit you plan to take. Avoid driving at night. Especially in fog, driving at night can be especially risky in foggy weather. In addition to the reduced visibility, the wet road surface and hydroplaning can also make driving especially dangerous at night. Therefore, you should avoid driving at night, especially in fog. Even if you are driving at a low speed and the fog is very thin, you may not be able to see other vehicles, obstacles, or the road clearly. This can lead to dangerous situations. In addition, even very small amounts of fog can reduce visibility to near zero on the roads, which can be even more dangerous at night when there are few streetlights. Keep your vehicle well maintained and up to date. When driving in the fog, you should keep your vehicle in good condition and make sure that it is up to date. If you are driving a vehicle that is several years old, it may not be able to handle the conditions as well as a newer vehicle might. Therefore, you should keep your vehicle in good condition and make sure that it is up to date. Know what makes fog form and how to avoid it. When driving in fog, you should understand exactly what causes the fog to form. For example, when there is precipitation, the water droplets in the air are smaller than the air molecules. These droplets collide with each other, and because they are much smaller than air molecules, they cannot move as easily. The fog then forms from the water droplets colliding with each other. You can avoid this scenario by driving slower and not speeding. You should also keep your window and windshield wipers on high if you drive in fog, as the water from the wipers will also make the fog thicker. You can also use a defogger for your air conditioning system if you have one, as this will help prevent fog from forming inside your vehicle. Tips to drive in foggy weather. Driving in the fog is difficult and dangerous, especially at night. There are several tips to help you minimize your risks while driving safely in foggy weather. When driving, you should slow down before you reach your destination, avoid speeding, and keep your vehicle in good condition and up to date. You should also know what causes fog to form and how to avoid it. Wraparound exterior lights are essential for safe driving in fog. They provide visibility where there is little to no visibility, which is where most fog begins. What do you think of our video? Let us know in the comments section below. If you enjoyed this video and want to hear from us again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go. Thanks for watching.